Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cut wooden planks using this reciprocating saw. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, the very first thing you are going to do is to load your reciprocating saw with a suitable blade. Like there are blades suitable for wood, metal, so whichever material you are using to cut, so that's very important that you select a suitable one. Second thing is protect yourself, like especially in eyes I would say put on protective glasses, because what happens, like when saws and other equipments run, a lot of particles come out, and if you are doing it too closely, some of these may get into your eyes. So why to take even a minute quantity of risk? It's better to stay safe than sorry than you do. Third is, like if you are gonna make cut here, okay, this is a testing video, so definitely so that's why I've not made a mark, but imagine something like, let's say I'm gonna cut here, that I'm gonna show you, so that will do. But important part is this area should be kept like strong, like if it's a real workshop, you'll have some holders that's gonna hold it so that it does not move from its place. Okay, so that's really very important. So I'm gonna adjust my position. Okay, next is put to go over there, and you see it's right away it has started, so that's why I said like it has to be put strong. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna begin. You need to put it like I did not hold it firm because it's not my real workshop, that's why you got some indents here. But once you practice yourself and you have proper hold, see it's done very easily, right? Of course, like you need to hold it firmly, otherwise you will have this diversion from trajectory, because this is a test video, that's why I did like this. Otherwise, if you have proper hold and wood is not going to move from its place, that's the perfect time you can run this, because so you see that when it moves, it's going to create vibration. So if you have it some hold that's going to hold it firmly, then that vibration is going to get absorbed and it won't deviate. But yes, you got an idea how to do this. So again, protect your eyes, select suitable blade, hold the plank with the holder perfectly so that it does not move and absorb the vibrations, and then make a cut. Okay, that is how it works guys. And if you want to see how to load the blades, I have uploaded another video. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.